Alright, in this video, I'm going to go over why contractors need to stop buying shared leads and how they can generate their own exclusive and pre-qualified leads without relying on these lead sharing companies. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Payden Rassi and my agency does lead generation for home improvement companies, helping them get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately make more money. Now, before we go any further, I just want to show you some results, screenshots, so you know what I'm talking about. Since 2020, we have spent over $3 million in ad spend, generated $20 million in revenue for our clients, and we generate 4,000 leads on a monthly basis across all of our clients. And this is just a screenshot of the results for a few of our clients. I couldn't fit them all in here, just a few of them. And right here is this is a screenshot of whenever a lead is generated, we deliver that leads to our end clients via SMS and email instantly, so they can call the leads and book that in-home estimate. All right, now let's get back here and talk about how these lead generation vendors, Angi, Thumbtack, HomeAdvisors, how they work, and what the difference is in terms of if you're buying share leads from them versus you generating the leads yourself. Now, with these lead sharing companies, number one is that the leads are being sold to multiple contractors, which is you're gonna have to, reduce your prices. The other thing is a lead might have already called another company and you're still paying for that lead. Number two, you're gonna have low quality and unresponsive leads because the leads are getting bombarded, with other contractors calling them, so it's very hard to get a hold of them. Number three, there is no personal connection. Number four, you have no control over lead quality. Now on this side, when you're generating your own leads, you have exclusive leads, which means there is no competition. Number two, you have higher quality and pre-qualified leads. Number three, it's your own ads. You build a know, like, and trust factor. You can show personality. You can show, video of yourself in the ads. You can do so many different things. And number four, you have full control over lead quality. You can have your own criteria in terms of what you want to ask the leads. With these lead sharing company, you have no say in what you want to ask the leads in terms of your pre-qualification criteria. Now, the first thing when it comes to running ads, the most important thing, number one is your offer, and the second biggest thing is going to be your ad creatives. This is what people see first thing, and if you don't capture their attention, they're not going to see the rest of the ads. Now, I just want to compare what the lead sharing companies do and what you can do yourself, what works. Now, these lead sharing companies, they have just a generic ads running that just, that just prompts people to just get a price. So there's nothing unique about it. It's just all they want is people to fill out the form, sell it to 5 other contractors. That's their goal. Right here, this is Angi's. This is their meta ads, which is find out what deck replacement costs. Find out what fence installation costs. Find out what kitchen remodel costs. So all they do is just, again, they're just looking for people to get a price and then fill out the form and then send that lead information to 5 other contractors. Now here's what we do and what you can do instead. So when we run ads for our clients, we use different, we use image, video, ad creatives, depends. So right here, if you're running your own ads, you can put your own image in the ads, make it more organic to the platform. You can have your before and afters. And obviously, one thing you want to do that I recommend that we do for our clients is we have a price first strategy. Means we're going to have some sort of a pricing, either your upfront prices or your financing prices right in the ads, because this is going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget. This way, you're going to be dealing with better prospects. So if you're starting out, the simplest ad you can run is just, an image, either before and after of the project, and then right above it, put whatever that you do, and then the starting ad prices. And I'm going to show you some video ad examples of when we come up with video ads, what they look like. This is for an HVAC client here.
Get a brand new AC and furnace combo installed starting at just $6,800. This limited time offer is only available for Georgia homeowners, and every installation includes a free smart thermostat.
This is how Calgary homeowners are saving
This
big
is a
on
window
window
client.
replacements. If your windows are over 5 years old and you live in an eligible area, you could qualify for 0% interest for 10 years and monthly payments starting as low as...
You get the idea. Now this is for an epoxy flooring client.
Transform your residential or commercial space with our premium flooring solutions. We offer two exceptional options: the flake flooring system, featuring an ultra-durable polyaspartic top coat, and the stunning metallic marble epoxy flooring system. Both options are designed to last a lifetime and provide unmatched durability and style. With our seamless epoxy flooring systems, you can achieve a modern, sleek look that's rapidly becoming the top choice in contemporary design.
All right, now this is a new one for an kitchen renovation client of ours. They do kitchen, bathroom, everything.
We're looking for 5 outdated kitchens in London that are ready for a full remodel at our exclusive showcase pricing in exchange for a short video testimonial and permission to capture before and after photos of the transformation. Projects start at $15,000, and to qualify, your kitchen must be at least 10 years old, and you should be ready to begin within the next 60 days. If you think your kitchen might be a fit, tap the Learn More button below, answer a few quick questions, and we'll be in touch soon.
So that's for the ad creatives. Now, in terms of your offer and the ad copy, again, with these lead sharing companies, you don't have a say in, the ad copy, to go in details of why you're unique, why you do things differently, how you do things differently, Literally, that's all they say in their ad copy. Get ratings and reviews, request and compare quotes, and get your home project done well with Angi. That's it. Now, if you're running your own ads, in your ad copy, you can, be unique. You can make it personable, talk about why you're different prices. If you have, warranty and everything here, like a client of ours here, they do epoxy. So we have their starting out prices. Epoxy coatings are durable, anti-slip, easy to clean. Why choose them? 58 plus 5-star reviews, 5-year warranty, fully trained installers, 3 million liability, 30 years of combined experience, 2-day install. You can have a promotion if you want to go that route. Another example here, hey, we can make it more personable. Hey, my name is Peter and I'm the proud owner of XYZ. You could do so much more when you're just generating your own leads. You have more control, right? And the next thing is going to be the lead form. So when somebody sees the ads, they're going to hit, get quote. Then you're going to want to ask them 4 to 6 pre-qualification questions to pre-qualify the leads. And with lead sharing companies, again, Angi, Thumbtack, they just take people to a lead form where they ask them, just pre-qualification questions. Now over here, again, you don't have a say in what the pre-qualification questions are. They're going to pick whatever they want. But when you're generating your own, you can just ask whatever you want, right? So here, for example, this is a window installer client of ours. We're asking, if they're a homeowner, current age of the windows, how many windows they need replaced, how soon they're looking to replace the windows, and we can ask name, email, phone number, city, zip code, whatever we want to ask. Again, here you have no control. Here you have full control of what you want to ask and what your criteria is. And so this is what our lead generation funnel looks like. So this is just an overview of what it looks like. Now we have over 25 clients in the home improvement space, and this is the same exact lead generation funnel that we use. Now the most important part of your your marketing campaign, the biggest factor of either it's going to be a successful ad campaign or not, is going to be your offer. So once we find that unique offer that's unique in the market, we're going to create the video ad creatives or the image ad. Mostly we create video ads. Once we create that video ads, we're going to run meta ads to the offer, which is Facebook and Instagram. Then when we get people to get quote, we ask them 4 to 6 pre-qualification questions, just like I showed you. We ask them 4 to 6 pre-qualification questions. And once they submit that form, we're not going to assume that they're legit leads right away, because on Facebook, you're going to have people who are going to fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are going to put a wrong phone number, and some are just not serious. So that's why we have a backend automation that runs 24/7, which is going to pre-qualify the leads further. So When a lead is generated, they come into our system as a new lead. We don't send them to our clients yet. We have one more step where we're going to send them an SMS saying, hey, reply with a yes, because we want to make sure that their phone number is correct and that they actually want an in-home estimate. So our system is going to wait for them to reply with a yes. Once they reply with a yes, that's where we're going to count them as a pre-qualified lead. Our end client is going to receive an immediate SMS and email notification of the lead. And right after that, we have a unique feature here, which is called the Call Connect feature. Means the moment they reply with a yes and we count them as a pre-qualified leads, our system is going to call the client's front desk, and then it's going to call the lead, and it's going to bridge the call, which is going to ensure that you're calling the leads in less than 5 minutes, because it's important that you're calling the leads in less than 5 minutes, and this ensures that. And then you set the appointment, you show up, you give the estimate, you close. Now for the leads that don't reply with a yes right away, we have 4 more follow-ups that go out, because it's important that you follow up with people. So the first SMS goes out in like 10 seconds. If they don't reply with a yes, we have another one that goes out in 10 minutes. If they don't reply to that, we have another one in an hour. And then the last follow-up in 4 hours. And for the leads that they put in valid phone numbers, they replied they're not interested, or they just opted out, they just go down the trash. Our end clients don't even see them. And that's about it for the video. Now, if you own a home improvement company and you're looking to get, consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me or somebody on the team. We can go over a quick, 10-15 minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this even makes sense for your business. Again, thanks for watching and have a nice day.